CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5 Compare and contrast common types of input and output device interfaces. Networking tools. Before we move on to wireless network interfaces, let's take a quick detour and focus on two essential tools used in wired networking. These tools help ensure that the physical parts of a network, like the cables and connectors, are set up correctly and working the way they should. The two tools we'll cover are the crimper and the cable tester. Let's start with the crimper. A crimper is a hand tool used to attach a connector to the end of a cable. In general, crimping is how you physically bond the wires inside a cable to the metal pins inside a connector, so data can flow through the connection properly. To make this more concrete, let's walk through a common example, such as making your own Ethernet cable using a CAT cable and an RJ45 connector. First, you cut the cable to the length you need. Then, you carefully strip off the outer jacket to reveal the 8 individual wires inside. These wires are arranged in a specific color-coded order, then slid into the RJ45 connector, that's the clear plastic plug used on Ethernet cables. Once everything is lined up correctly, you place the connector into the crimper tool and squeeze. The crimper pushes small metal pins down into each wire, locking them into place and creating a solid electrical connection. If you skip crimping, the cable won't work, there's no complete path for the signal to travel through. So crimping transforms a loose set of wires into a fully functional network cable. Crimpers are especially useful when you need custom cable lengths, are replacing a damaged connector, or are working in an environment like an office or data center where neat and precise cabling matters. Now let's talk about the tool that helps you check if a cable is working properly, the cable tester. A cable tester sends a signal through the cable and checks whether the wires inside are connected correctly. If there's a break in the wire, a short circuit, or if the pins are out of order, the tester will let you know something's wrong. This tool is especially helpful when troubleshooting a connection issue, because sometimes, the problem isn't with the device or the settings. It's the cable. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.